Hey, it's Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Psh. Hey, we got this out of the barn. We dragged it out of there. All the tires were flat. Dusted it off a little bit here so we could see it a little better. And stay tuned. Hey guys, so we dragged this out of the barn. And this is a Simplicity. What is it, a 5116 special. All the tires are, you know, seen better days, right? Got the key still in it, which is always a good sign. All right, let's see what kind of tags are on here. This says sold and serviced by Ann Arbor Implement Company Incorporated. Lawn, Garden, and Recreation. It's on 210 South 1st Street, Ann Arbor, Michigan. And the phone number. Wonder if they're still in business. So Simplicity 5-speed. Look at these actual headlights in there. Simplicity and Alice Chambers Company. See what kind of things are going in here. Snow thrower and mower PTO. So there you go. Brake, clutch, engage. Got mower lift. And the shift pattern. So it's a 5-speed. Well, that'll be all right. What is this? This is engage, disengage for the PTO. So that'll spin your blades. And then mower lift. I don't think it lifted up though. It's at the right height anyway, so we're good with that. Well, you think that's stock on there? That looks like aluminum foot pedal. It's pretty cool. And wonder if we can go through these gears. They seem to be going through there. That's neutral. Light switch. And our choke is stuck, so. Got these nifty hubcaps on there. Look at that. That's authentic there. Got all 4 of them. While we got all 4 of them. Looks like the belt's on there. And it engaged. Throttle goes up and down. Let's see what we got under the hood. Looks like a 16 horsepower 2-cylinder, so one of those opposing twins. Let me get that open. There we go. This one is the Briggs and Stratton opposing twin. It looks all pretty good. All the wires are there. No mice been chewing on it. Oh, maybe I take that back. Any petro in it? No petro in it that I see. It's one of those old-fashioned float ones. I don't know if we can find a year on it. Let's see. Nothing up there. See if we can find a tag. Well, it's got a battery in it. I'm sure that'll be good. There is the ID number. Well, what is this? What is going on here? Look at this. That's gonna be easy to get off. Not. It's a key turn. Oh yeah, key turns. Light switch turns. Choke. Does it still work? Nope. It's frozen. Alright. Let me get a couple tools out of my bag and see if we can get that battery off. I brought another battery just to toss in it, see if it even turns over. It's spinning by hand, moving. At least something's going on with it. I don't know what's inside there. That's kind of weird. Let's check the oil. Oh yeah, there's a drop in it. Let's try that again. Yeah, that'll be good. That'll work. It's enough oil to spin it over. Well, it is actually spinning. Let's try this one. It is gonna come off of there. Oh my. Alright, well, let me get these off. Well, that wasn't too bad at all. But I have never seen any kind of hookup like that. I've seen a pair of vice grips holding the bare wire on there, but I've never seen that. Let's see if we can get this battery out. See if there's any kind of indication of a year on it. We don't have a license plate like a car, so we don't know when it was last started. A Workaholic interstate battery. Let me see. It looks like one's missing right there. Looks like one's missing right there. Let me see if I can get a rag and clean that off. So the 2 is missing, and April, May. So May is missing. So whatever that means. So is it 92? Is it 2002? 2012? I'm not sure. Well, we got this battery hooked up, and whatever you call that thing. So that is all hooked up. Let's check the air filter out. If we can get this off. Looks pretty clean in there. Alright, let's get that off. I really want to know what that is inside there. How it got in there. It's very interesting. Very interesting. See if we can move that butterfly. Nope, it seems to be frozen. Alright, so we got a drop of oil, gas from 1972, got a fresh battery. What else we need? Let's see if it'll turn over. Well, it is turning over. Throttle works up and down. Wow. I wonder what that is inside there, and how can we get that out without taking this whole cover off. Alright, I have a plan, so should be able to get something in here and pull that out if I can get it lined up with that one of these holes. So after trying every tool in the toolbox, I decided to use some Mother Nature, like this stick right here, and we will try to get that out. Almost. Oh, it's going somewhere. There it is. Now let's get this pair of these. There we go. Probably a mouse was going to make a nest in there. So we'll just discard that. Alright, looks clean now. Let's put a little go-go juice down in there, see if it'll start up. Get Mother Nature back to Mother Nature there. There you go. That's enough, Rich. That's way too much. Only a drop of oil in that thing. Woohoo! There we go, and some more of that mouse nest flew out of there. Alright, so we have a runner right here. Yes, we do. Let's come over here and see if that tickled that oil. Oh, it might have splashed it up a little bit. Hey guys, so we got it started. Started on some starting fluid, and we seen some things that was wrong with it. Hey, leave me a comment down there. Is this worth pursuing? This is Rich's Mowers and Blowers. See you next time.